Hi, Preston Trask here with Birkey's Farm Store Precision Farming Team, showcasing today aftermarket cooling solutions for your DJI T100 batteries. We've partnered with Quantum Drone Systems based out of Michigan to offer a all-in-one battery and charger cooling solution. We have here the factory cooling solution that comes with your DJI T100 drone. You'll see there's 3 fans cooling your front battery and a cross-flow cooling your rear battery. On the Quantum Drone Systems box, you'll see we have 4 much larger oversized fans that are powered by an external 110 outlet. It also cools your charger, whereas the factory cooling solution does not have an ability to cool your charger. The batteries sit in just like your regular factory DJI cooler and come out just the same. With the Quantum Drone Systems T100 cooling box, our customers are reporting in the field that they are seeing a difference of 15 to 20 degrees versus the factory cooling option. This is not only prolonging the life of your batteries, but is also prolonging the life of your charger with an external cooling option. Please contact your Birkey's Farm Store Precision Farming Specialist today.